Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel. Whether it was through happenstance or you're familiar with the channel, I really do appreciate your time. So today, I'm going over 10 ways to set up and organize your new MacBook Pro. Some of the things may be rudimentary, but if you haven't used a Mac in a while or you haven't used one at all, then some of these things might be useful for you. So, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. For this first step, you are going to go to Finder in the bottom left of your screen. Then you're going to navigate to where your folders are. Once you've located your folder, then you're going to click Get Info. After which, you're going to go to your browser. In this case, I'm using Safari, and type whatever image you are looking for, and just make sure that it's a transparent PNG image. You can click on images to get more info. Once you've located the image, you can right click to save the image. The next step is to then open the image that you've saved. From here, you can size the image to your liking. Then you're going to press Command C, or first you're going to press Command A to highlight all of it, then Command C to copy it. Then you're going to go to the smaller image that you're trying to change. There it is in the left corner. Make sure it's highlighted, and then you're going to hit Command V to paste it, and it should change it. Tip number 2 is how to unlock your computer using Apple Watch. You're going to click on the Apple logo in the top left, click System Preferences, navigate to where it says Security and Privacy. Then you're going to choose Use your Apple Watch to unlock your computer. You're going to input your password, and you must be on the same iCloud account. You're going to click Unlock, and so the next time you're wearing your Apple Watch and your computer is locked, it'll open it for you. Tip number 3 is how to create new folders. You're going to go down to Finder where your folders are. In my case, I'm going to go to Downloads. Then you can right click on any blank area of the screen and click New Folder. Then you're going to name your folder. From there, you can open any file or any folder, and you can hold the trackpad down and drag and place your file into your new folder. This is a great way to stay organized. Tip number 4 is how to adjust your dock. You're going to click on the Apple logo again, then click System Preferences and click Dock. There you can size your dock, and you can change the placement of your dock. You can do left, bottom, or right side of the screen. Where it says minimize windows, you're going to click Genie effect, and I'll tell you what that does in a little bit. And then you can also choose some of those other options. If you select left side of the screen, it will show on the left side of the screen, just like that. If you select right, it will show on the right side of the screen, just like that. And if you select bottom, it will appear at the bottom. Now the Genie effect is it will disappear when not in use and appear once you hover your mouse over it. Tip number 5 is how to add or remove items from your dock. You're going to click on the launcher in the bottom of your screen. Then you're going to go to the app that you want to add to the dock. You can hold it down and drag it, and it will be placed on your dock. To remove the item, you can right click, then click on Options, and then Remove from Dock. Tip number 6 is how to show battery percentage. This one is super simple. Navigate to where your battery icon is, right click, and then choose the option that says show battery percentage. Tip number 7 is how to set up an email address. You're going to go to the Apple logo again. You're going to click on System Preferences and then click Internet Accounts. There you're going to see the different options to choose from. If you add other account, you'll be able to see more as well. Once you've selected the account that you're going to set up, you're going to input your username and password. It will authenticate it for you, and then you should be good to go. Tip number 8 is how to connect to Wi-Fi. This one is super simple. You're going to go to My Preferences or System Preferences. Then you're going to click on Network. You're going to click Turn Wi-Fi on. And just like you normally would, whenever you're in range of a Wi-Fi network, you'll be able to connect. Tip number 9 is add in bookmarks. So this is specific to Safari. So you're going to open your browser, and at the top you're going to click bookmarks. Then you're going to add bookmark. You can also press Command D. There you can add it to a specific folder, and you can also change the name of the page. And then you're going to click add. If you haven't created folders before, you can go back to bookmarks. Then you're going to choose edit bookmarks or Command B. There you'll be able to add new folders. Those are the preloaded ones. You have favorites, Apple, Disney, ESPN, Yahoo, etc. But to add a new folder, you're going to go to the right where it says new folder. Then you'll be able to name the folder. Then you can drag whichever bookmarks you've created within those folders. This is a great way to organize all your often used pages. The 10th and final tip is how to adjust your trackpad. You're going to go to System Preferences, and by now you'll realize that most things are done through there. You're going to click on Trackpad. You're going to see 3 options at the top. First one, you're going to click on Point and Click, and I have mine set up where it's force click with 1 finger. Below that is the secondary click, and this is almost like a mouse, using a mouse on a regular computer. When you right click it, it gives you more options. I have mine set to the bottom right of the trackpad. Then you can also tap to click, and you can change the tracking speed of the trackpad. On the second tab, scroll and zoom, those you're able to use 2 fingers to scroll. You'll be able to use your fingers to zoom, and you're able to use your fingers to rotate. So you can play with those to see which ones you like. The third tab is more gestures, and there you have different options as well to scroll through web pages. I have that set up. And once you click on each one, the video to the right will show you what each one does. So you can play with those and see which ones you prefer and which ones you would like to use. Hello everyone, thank you for watching the entire video. If you have a question, please remember to comment below, or if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos, please remember to like, subscribe, share, or comment below. Until next time, take care.